In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do earned value analysis in Microsoft Project. If you've ever wondered how to compare what you plan to do with what actually happened in your project, this walkthrough will make it clear and actionable. First, we need to capture a snapshot of your plan before any work starts. Go to the Project tab, click Set Baseline, choose Set Baseline, select Entire Project, and click OK. This tells Microsoft Project to store your plan schedule and cost at this point in time. Think of it as freezing your original intentions so you can measure performance later. Make sure your task list, durations, dependencies, resource assignments, and standard rates are all correct before you set this baseline, because earned value relies on that initial plan. If you've already set a baseline before, be intentional about overwriting it. You typically want one stable reference so the performance story stays consistent. Next, enter the actual progress your team has made. Earned value is only as good as the real data you feed it. Update each task's percent complete, actual start and actual finish where applicable, actual duration, and actual cost if you're tracking costs manually. To do this quickly, go to the Task tab and use Mark on Track for simple updates, or choose Update Tasks for precise date and duration entry. Be sure to enter actual dates rather than relying only on percent complete, especially when work started earlier or later than planned. If you're tracking costs, either let Project calculate actuals from resource timesheets and rates, or type actual cost directly when appropriate, staying consistent with your organization's tracking method. With a baseline set and actuals in place, you're ready to see the earned value results. Go to the View tab, click Tables, choose More Tables, and select either Earned Value or Earned Value Cost Indicators. The Earned Value table shows core measures such as Planned Value, often labeled BCWS, Earned Value, shown as BCWP, and Actual Cost, or ACWP. These tell you what you plan to accomplish by now, what you've actually earned based on completed work, and what it actually cost. The Earned Value Cost Indicators table adds performance ratios and variances like schedule variance and cost variance, as well as SPI and CPI. Positive variances and ratios above 1.0 generally indicate you're ahead or under budget. Negative values and ratios below 1.0 suggest slippage or overruns. Keep updating actuals on a regular cadence so your indicators remain trustworthy. Treat your baseline as your single source of truth and only reset it when a formal change is approved. That's how you turn Microsoft Project into a reliable earned value dashboard.